He had already set the U20 World Indoor Record, under 20 World Record. He won the NCAA and the conference indoors.
Wayne Pinnock and Jaydon Hibbert dominate the jumps at the Southeastern Conference Championships. Since James Beckford collected 4 silver medals across the long jump at the World Indoor Championships, World Championships, and Olympics, there have not been many Jamaican men dominating in both the long jump and triple. But in recent times, the birthplace of reggae and the world's sprint capital began producing more talented male jumpers across the long jump and triple jump. Athletes such as Tajay Gale, Jaydon Hibbert, Wayne Pinnock, Kerry McLeod, Apollos Edwards, and Shaquan Coke, among others, have all risen to take on the jumps mantle for Jamaica. This became evident at the 2022 NCAA Indoor Championships when then Tennessee Volts Wayne Pinnock and Kerry McLeod were able to earn the top 2 spots in the long jump at that meet. Since that time, more Jamaican athletes have gained confidence to improve their performance across the long jump and triple jump. Just this season alone, both Kerry McLeod and Jaydon Hibbert, who represent the University of Arkansas, were able to win the long jump and triple jump respectively at the NCAA Indoor Championships. This performance made both athletes the favorite to dominate their respective disciplines during the outdoor season. Both athletes started off their outdoor season jumping extremely well, but Jaydon Hibbert was the most impressive athlete, leaping 17.17 meters to win convincingly at the LSU Invitational just 2 weeks before the Southeastern Conference Championships, SECs.
19.60. School record 2006, 19.63, Isaiah Carter.
By the way, if you are getting value from this video, we would greatly appreciate it if you would give this video a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for our future videos. Thank you. The SEC Championships first began with the long jump as Kerry McLeod was looking to win the event, just as he did indoors with 8.40 meters to equal James Beckford's national record done in 1995. Despite McLeod entering the long jump competition as the favorite, his Arkansas teammate Wayne Pinnock was furious and wanted to prove a point after finishing 4th in the event at the NCAA Indoor Championships with a personal best leap of 8.33 meters. Pinnock began the competition with a personal best leap of 8.15 meters to put pressure on his competitors. On his second jump, Pinnock responded to McLeod's 8.14 meters, which was his best jump of the competition with a personal best of 8.37 meters, to walk away as the winner of the competition, as Kerry McLeod placed second and Cameron Crump of Mississippi State was third with 8.00 meters. The next day, the Jamaican men Wayne Pinnock, Kerry McLeod, and Shaquan Coke, who represent the University of Arkansas, along with Apollos Edwards of Louisiana State University, were able to join the 2023 Carifta Games triple jump champion Jaydon Hibbert for a very fierce long jump competition. Jaydon Hibbert, who represents the University of Arkansas, entered the competition as the clear favorite. Most fans thought that Hibbert would have done his usual one jump and sit out the rest of the competition, but this was not the case. He decided to go one step further by doing 2 jumps. In his first jump, he leaped 17.02 meters to lead the competition and decided to take another solid leap of 17.87 meters.
He had already set the U20 World Indoor Record, under 20 World Record. He won the NCAA and the conference indoors.
This 17.87 meters mark is a World Under 20 record, world leading, and collegiate record, which ranks him as the joint 13th farthest jumper in history, with Cuba's Jordan Diaz and Mike Conley of the United States. This record was a little shy of James Beckford's Jamaican national record of 17.92 meters done in 1995. After the competition, Hibbert looked quite pleased and said that his main goal for the season is to win a medal in the triple jump at the Budapest World Championships later this summer. The Jamaican men keep on getting better, and anything is possible for them in the weeks to come leading up to the Jamaican National Championships in July. Who are your top 3 athletes to make both the long jump and triple jump Jamaican teams for the Budapest World Championships? Let us know in the comment section. Stay tuned to J-irie Caribbean Sports as we bring you all the action from the 2023 track and field season. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell as we celebrate the achievements of all our Caribbean athletes together. This is J-irie Caribbean Sports.